AMOLED Wallpaper provide you an amazing collection of wallpaper for your smartphone. Then hello friends, this is Sulaiman here, and in this video I'm going to show you the best wallpaper application for your smartphone. Do you know AMOLED wallpaper act like a battery saver on AMOLED display smartphone? These AMOLED wallpaper are especially designed for the battery saving purpose. By installing AMOLED wallpapers, you will get premium collections of high resolution dark wallpapers. These dark wallpapers look amazing on home screen, plus they'll reduce the power consumption, which results less power consumption for the Android device, and increase screen on time up to 15%. You don't need to look around for AMOLED wallpaper anymore. To make your smartphone cool, AMOLED wallpaper is here. It is a new cool way to maximize your screen on time by setting up pitch black background of AMOLED home screen. All the wallpapers are handpicked to amaze you in a very possible way to make your smartphone way cooler than before. So these are the features available in AMOLED wallpapers. Universal app installing on any Android device with AMOLED display. Amazing collections of black and AMOLED wallpapers. Daily new high quality AMOLED wallpapers arrival. 10 plus category to choose from. Minimal and beautiful user interface. Beautiful interface with the material dark theme. One-click wallpaper set, one-click wallpaper save, and one-click share wallpaper. Shuffle option to shuffle wallpapers and get surprised. App is 100% free to use. This app contains a collection of the best free AMOLED wallpapers and backgrounds for your smartphone or tablet. All wallpapers has been personally selected so you can personalize your device. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please smash that like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.